And so today we're announcing something really, really special. It is a partnership of 3 companies, DeepMind, Disney Research, and Nvidia, and we call it Newton. Let's take a look at Newton. Tell me that wasn't amazing. Hey, Blue. How are you doing? How do you like your new physics engine? You like it, huh? Yeah, I bet. I know. Tactile feedback, rigid body, soft body simulation, super real time. Can you imagine just now what you were looking at is complete real-time simulation? This is how we're going to train robots in the future. Just so you know, Blue has 2 computers, 2 NVIDIA computers inside. Look how smart you are. Yes, you're smart. Okay. All right. Hey, Blue, listen. How about let's take them home? Let's finish this keynote. It's lunchtime. Are you ready? Let's finish it up. We have another announcement. You're good. You're good. Just stand right here. Stand right here. Stand right here. All right, good. Right there. That's good. All right, stand. Okay, we have another amazing news. I told you the progress of our robotics has been making enormous progress. And today we're announcing that Groot N1 is open sourced. Three AI infrastructures we're building: AI infrastructure for the cloud, AI infrastructure for enterprise, and AI infrastructure for robots. And so today, I'm super excited to announce that GM has selected NVIDIA to partner with them to build their future self-driving car fleet. The time for autonomous vehicles has arrived, and we're looking forward to building with GM AI in all 3 areas. AI for manufacturing, so they can revolutionize the way they manufacture. AI for enterprise, so they can revolutionize the way they work, design cars and simulate cars, and then also AI for in the car. So AI infrastructure for GM, partnering with GM, and building with GM their AI. So I'm super excited about that. We have done the ultimate scale-up. This is the most extreme scale-up the world has ever done. The amount of computation that's possible here, the memory bandwidth, 570 terabytes per second. Everything in this machine is now in T's. Everything's a trillion. And today we're announcing the NVIDIA Dynamo. NVIDIA Dynamo does all that. It is essentially the operating system of an AI factory.